Hi everyone, my name is Elena and today I'm gonna help you learn how to ask some questions in Lithuanian. So I'll try to make it really simple and straightforward and to give you a lot of variations so you could start a conversation straight away. So the first question that we're going to learn is, do you like? And then at the end you add whatever you want to ask. So you would ask, ar tau patinka Lietuva, for example. So do you like Lithuania? The way it works is the three words are always the same at the beginning. So ar, tau, so you, patinka, like, do you like, and then at the end you just add whatever you want to ask. So I'll give you a few variations. So let's see. Travel, right? You want to see if someone likes traveling. Ar tau patinka keliauti? Keliauti. Ar tau patinka keliauti? Dancing. Ar tau patinka šokti? Šokti. Singing. Ar tau patinka dainuoti? Dainuoti. Now let's go into sports. Do you like basketball? Is ar tau patinka krepšinis? Krepšinis. Football or soccer in the US is ar tau patinka futbolas? Futbolas. So it's kind of like football, footballas. Just add AS at the end. Coffee. Do you like coffee? Ar tau patinka kava? Kava. Beer is alus. Ar tau patinka alus? And winter? Ar tau patinka žiema? Žiema. Summer would be vasara. Ar tau patinka vasara? So what I'll do now is I will ask you a question and you'll try to remember what I'm asking. So, ar tau patinka kava? Kava. Coffee. Ar tau patinka šokti? Dancing. Ar tau patinka krepšinis? Basketball. Ar tau patinka dainuoti? Singing. Ar tau patinka futbolas? Football. Okay. So I think you got it. Then if you want to continue the conversation, you could, when someone replies, let's say that they like coffee or they like basketball, let's say that makes more sense. You can say, why do you like basketball? So you would say, kodėl, why tau patinka, you like krepšinis, basketball. Kodėl tau patinka krepšinis? Kodėl tau patinka žiema, winter? Kodėl tau patinka keliauti? Alright, so this will continue the conversation and they would give you some reasons why they like doing those things. Alright, so I hope this was useful. Leave in the comments the questions that you would like to ask and I'll try to help out with that. Thank you.